Hi guys, I'm back with another video, and today I've got bad news and good news. Our yellow 5 female died, which is very sad, but today we've also got this new red factor female here. She's a very beautiful bird. She actually won one of the shows in 2019. And we're also got this male here. In the back, the red factor male. Very beautiful bird. As you can see. So yeah. All other birds seem fine. And yeah, so yeah, we're gonna be selling some of the red mosaic agate mixed with 5 to make more space. And we might be selling this 5 pair here, ready for the next breeding season. And we've also got some rings which have came, ready for the breeding season. So I'll show you them in another video. And yeah, bye guys, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.